Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would start with some festive content. I don't know why or what's come over me. There's still about 6 weeks to go until Christmas, but I am feeling a little bit festive. So I thought we could start off with saying Merry Christmas. There's no use waiting until a couple of days before Christmas to pop this video up because you might want to learn it and say it in the weeks ahead. So to start off with, we're going to do Merry Christmas. Noll-ack, Chridheil. Noll-ack, Chridheil. Noll-ack, Chridheil. So I think that's a good starter, but if you have any Christmas words that you would like me to go over in the coming weeks, then please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!